Stop it, I'm gonna puke! If you wanna know what that was about, watch the next video, but it's only the next video if you go back to the past, and then it's the next video. I'll link it in the description if you don't follow what she's saying. Hello everyone, today we are making chicken parmesan. Jennifer! Oh my god! I asked you! This! Take it out! Take it out! You know what? In the past it's gonna taste so garlicky. Jack's gonna enjoy editing this one. I wonder if Jack's gonna laugh at us like, haha, those stupid North Americans, they're not good like us British, for like grating cheese or something. Is this enough Parmesan to your liking? For Lauren making bread? Yeah, it looks good. I'm saying like you making bread versus Lauren making bread. Yeah, but that's because she's a baker. That's not because she's British. Jack, what I can't that sounded. I dropped a piece of garlic on the floor, so I went to go wash the garlic. And I was gonna throw it in the proper pan, but I threw it straight back into the pot with the water. You put it right here. I put it back where it belongs. Liar. You took it out. No, I didn't. You took it out. You took it out. Why would I take it out? You took it out. No? Yeah.
So you think it's done? Recipe says 35.
But that's because you're cooking the chicken. We already cooked the chicken.
I think the viewers at home saw that it was a little bit raw. Wow, that looks pretty good. It smells good.
So it's done.
Okay, so I like it. Yeah, it tastes really good. Yeah, it's fine. I would make it again. That was like pretty simple to make. Yeah, me. Oh. Anyways, we're gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh my god, that was so like fun and quick and easy. So you guys should try this too.
Yeah, because she didn't do anything.
She doesn't like when I give her hugs, so that's what I do. When she makes me upset.
And then she wonders why I punch her.
Okay, until next time, we'll see you later.